This video is for you if you have a smartphone and want to make money using it. You won't need to take out any loans because the strategy in today's video can be used without cost. After downloading the 3 applications we'll cover in today's video, you'll be ready to go. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. You can see the name of our first website right here, but don't worry, I'll show you in a second how to access it using the URL I provide you later. Get additional information from our team of expert testers. This is what you'll find on their website. A superior user testing tool with no subscription or monthly charges necessary. Membership is not necessary. You'll see after scrolling down a little that this website is trusted by over 500 businesses, some of which are very large and well known in the field. New monthly rates of $60 per subscription are being tried. They use UserField to improve their website or app and have over 140,000 qualified testers throughout the world and over 500 happy customers. They also showed how UserField differs from other well-known user testing tools, such as by not charging a monthly cost. Among other things, they will display the cost of the subscription plans. You might wonder, why conduct user testing? Why are people paid to test products? And this is why it can help you identify the issues, uncertainties, needs, and preferences of your people. This can help you generate high-impact ideas for raising your website's usability, conversion rate, and profitability. It helps you find problems you weren't aware of on desktop and mobile in different browser types. You may increase conversion rates and lower leave rates by addressing these issues as soon as possible. We're not here as customers, but rather as people looking to make money with their phones. So click here to go to the Become a Tester page. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Get Paid to Test under the Tester area. This will take us to the Become a Tester page. Now, please fill out all of this information, including your first name, last name, email address, and then confirm your country. As you can see, this is accessible to everyone. So if you're not from the United States, don't be concerned. Entering your birth year, password, and then confirming it comes next. By clicking on this, you can read all of their frequently asked questions regarding applying to be a tester. Become a tester to make $10 for each test. Each exam can be finished on your computer or smartphone at home and take 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Read the tips below and watch the sample films to find out what our customers want from a tester. What exactly do usability testers do? They evaluate a website's usability. They have to visualize a situation and carry out certain actions, including finding a product in an online store and completing the checkout. This helps website owners find and fix usability problems. Is it necessary for testers to make purchases from the website they review for goods or services? No. Even though it's possible that you'll be asked to finish the online store's checkout process, most of the time the scenario will tell you to leave before clicking the final submit button. In any case, you shouldn't submit your actual credit card information when performing a test. What tools do I need to operate as a tester and evaluate website for $10 each over here? You will require a computer running Windows or Mac. You need Windows 7 or later if you're running Windows. Additionally, like most laptops, your computer should feature an external or built-in microphone. If you require another microphone, even the least expensive kind, which costs around $2, will do. Do I need to take the test using my real name and address? No. You should use a fictitious detail when taking a test, what ought to be my native language. You should use the terminology used on the test. You won't be obliged to speak in languages you don't understand because you'll only receive work in languages you've designated in your profile as being fluently spoken and your native tongue on occasion. Why should I take the qualification test and what is its purpose? The preliminary examination is the qualifying test to ensure they have a microphone and can convey their thoughts while completing the assignments. Each new testers must place an order. This qualification test will determine whether and how frequently testers will be requested to participate in paid usability testing, earning them their first grade. Before we move on to the second website, the qualification test may be obtained at userfeel.com at no cost. Visit the website right away and take our tips for how to earn money online. Visit the second website, Honeygain, at honeygain.com to learn how to easily make passive cash by merely sharing your internet connection with them. It's easy to get passive money, so start earning right away. Start making money with Honeygain and then utilize that money to pay for a streaming platform membership. Play free-to-play video games with exclusive stuff unlocked, or just shop online. Earn money without putting your safety in danger. The program never asks for or obtain access to your device's storage, and Honeygain guarantees that only dependable partners have access to your internet traffic. Be aware of how your internet is being utilized. Once Honeygain is installed, your device will function as a view tower, enabling well-known corporations to access the internet without being concerned about geo restrictions or censorship. This is how the website or app works. Prepare it. Any computer running Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or Android can use Honeygain. Honeygain with a steady internet connection. Once activated, Honeygain protects your internet connection. Your personal data won't ever be accessible to you. Let it accumulate. Your internet connection and data that is readily accessible to the general public are both used by Honeygain. Assist businesses, reputable companies use this information for online statistics, price comparison, and other verified business procedures. Earn compensation. Users have the option of getting paid in either PayPal or Bitcoin for all the traffic they generate. By clicking here, you may sign up right away and get a free $5 enrollment bonus. Visit moneyapp.org to see our most recent app, and this is how it ought to appear. On this app, you can earn money by finishing straightforward offers. If you use iOS, you don't need to worry about bringing this program with you because it works on both iOS and Android. You can now download the Softcore Money app, Cash and Rewards app 12 Plus, after the App Store and earn money by performing easy tasks by clicking this link if you use an Android device or this button if you use an iOS device. The world's top rewards app. Earn money by finishing activities, providing feedback, reviewing store displays, mystery shopping, evaluating services, and taking part in free trials. There are constantly new tasks being introduced, so you'll never run out of opportunities to make money. You can work on it whenever you want and for however long you want. It's a simple and easy method to earn some additional money, and there are no challenging tasks to complete. Quick payments are made through the Money app. There are no discounts or gift cards offered. Actual money is credited to your PayPal account. So how does it operate? Perform things in order to gain credit rewards first. Third, you'll receive payment within 2 to 3 business days. Second, you can use PayPal to convert your credits into cash. You can see all of the positive reviews of this app here, which have given it the highest rating, 4.9 out of 5, demonstrating that it is a genuine paying service. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.